at another school holiday activity. Today what we're going to be making is Rainbow Wizard's Brew. So what we're going to need is some glitter, we need some dishwashing liquid, some vinegar, some glasses, or you can use plastic containers if you need to, bicarb soda, some food colouring, a spoon and a tray. Alright, let's do it. Firstly, what you need to do is we have our 2 glasses. So we're going to take our vinegar and we're going to fill them up about halfway. Just like that. Alright, we're going to put a drop of a colour. Let's do Christmas colours. So we'll do a drop of green. I might do a drop of red in the other one. There we go. Alright, now you can add some glitter. We don't want too much glitter, we only want a little bit, because glitter goes everywhere. So we'll put in some glitter. Fantastic. Alright, then we grab, we'll move all this out. Then we grab our dish soap. I'm going to put in, I'm just going to squeeze something. There we go. Right, our next job is I'm going to stir. I'm going to crack this spoon. So we're going to stir these around. We'll stir the next one around. Okay, and as we do that, we're going to add some bicarb soda in. And there we go, we're making our rainbow brew. Okay, you can keep adding bicarb soda in as you're stirring and your foam will keep going. Okay, alright, let's see if we can get the red one to work now. Okay, you ready? And as we're stirring, there we go. And if we want to, we can add in a different colour. So if we add in, put a few drops of blue in there, stir it around again. Okay, we'll get some more bicarb soda. Let's tip it in. There we go, now we're making different. Oh wow. And that's how we make it. Good job everybody.
We're going to show you how to make chewy Anzac biscuits, and all you're going to need for that is rolled oats, desiccated coconut, plain flour, sugar, golden syrup, bicarb soda, butter, a mixing bowl, a saucepan, a cup measure, teaspoon, tablespoon, a mixing spoon, a baking tray and an oven.